Man, look at all these chemtrails. They are bombing us today. Hope his camera's picking it up. Look at this. This is crazy. Looks like a bath of metal almost. It's 60 degrees out, and it was 20 below zero the day before yesterday. I just don't get why. You know what? It's going to rain tomorrow. They always come heavy before it rains. I noticed. That's crazy. You know, there wouldn't be a cloud in the sky if it wasn't for this. Look at that mess. That's all chemtrails. There's another one coming, laying down over there. Fucking insane lunatics killing us. Anyway, I'm out of here.